Bangla. Okay, alright. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is teacher Sanjida from Taswal Elementary School. And today I am back with our another science experiment. So let's get started. Today we are going to make a DIY fire extinguisher. I have painted it red because the fire extinguishers comes with a red cylinder. So here we are going to make fire extinguisher by producing carbon dioxide gas. So let's get started. Okay, my dear students, we already have known that vinegar and baking soda produces which gas? Carbon dioxide, right? Yes. So if we add some little amount of vinegar and some pinch of like baking soda in it, now we are going to put on fire. All right. Now let's see. The explanation is when vinegar is added to baking soda, it produces carbon dioxide gas, which is a very good fire extinguisher. We know that carbon dioxide helps to what? Put off fire. আর কোন জায়গায় আগুন ধরলে যখন ফায়ার এক্সটিংগুইশার অ্যাড করা হয় এর ভিতরে কোন গ্যাস থাকে? Carbon dioxide, right? So we have already proved that its carbon dioxide helps to extinguish fire. So we are going to apply it in our daily life. Okay? That's all was for today. We are going to come back with another exciting science experiment video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.